Welcome. If you want to measure the sound level with your AirPods Max, at the first you have to open the settings, go for the control center, scroll down and find hearing shortcut. It's right here, so you have to tap on the plus to add it to the control center. Right now, open the control center, tap on this icon, and just put headphones on your head. After that, the live listen will be available. So when you tap right here, as you can see, the microphones that are in the AirPods Max just simply measure the sound level around us. And that's how it looks. As you can see, that's very simple. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.